I was sent this Urine B-Gone for my review, and I'm super excited to tell you about it because if I'm being totally honest, I feel like the name is a little bit deceiving. So you see Urine B-Gone, you're like, great, we've all tried those before where it's like an odor eliminator, but this one is also for stains, and it's not just for pet stains. Even though, yes, I do have a cat, I do have a dog, and my cat is getting a lot older, and I do have some accidents in the house, so this is fantastic for those spots where she just keeps going to the bathroom and I can't get her to stop. But you can also use this on heavy duty stains. You can put this in your laundry as well. If you're having like, we all know those lovely stinky gym clothes, or I'm thinking of like a hockey bag. You can kind of spray this down. You can add a couple like capfuls to your laundry. You can even put this in your bucket when you are mopping, so that obviously it's going to help on any hardwood. You can use this on tiles as well. And the thing that I love about this is if you have like a heavy duty stain, you can spray it, leave it for half an hour. If it's something hardcore, you would then leave it for actually overnight. Really great for carpets as well. So basically what this is, I read something on the back and I had to laugh because I thought that was like absolutely perfect. So this is a 1 quart, and it says that 1 quart has like 50 billion enzymes, and which basically like bacterial enzymes, and basically that's equivalent to like 50 billion little Pac-Man going in there and like digesting and liquefying any of those odors. And I thought that that was really cute because I'm just picturing the little Pac-Man eating all those gross odors and stains. But yeah, honestly, this stuff is fantastic. This is the lavender scent. They also have an original and citrus. So if you are dealing with any odors, whether it's pet related or not, this stuff is fantastic.